Hello everyone, I'm Sahana Gargia and today we're joined with Arya Nair, an 8th grader with a huge love for quantum computing and how she thinks it can revolutionize the medical world. So hi Arya. So I'm going to be asking you a few questions. I'd first like to ask you that you were incredibly confident on stage. Like it showed how much you loved the subject. So what made you choose the topic and how was your experience, working through TEDx and how was your experience on stage?
So honestly, I just love science. I'm in love with science and I want to be a doctor when I grow up, honestly. And this quantum computing, it really caught my eye after my dad explained me about it, what exactly it is. So it really caught my attention with like how is it going to transform the future like incredibly. So I decided that how about we can combine the both medical and quantum computing. So that's how I decided to merge them both and express my feelings on stage, which could reach wider audience. And honestly, the entire idea of TEDx, where I could share my thoughts, my feelings to a larger amount of audience is just amazing. The entire behind the scenes, everybody was just so good and so motivating that is the reason why I was able to give such a wonderful talk on stage.
That's amazing. So coming to your topic now, do you feel, you talked about quantum computing and medical, in the medical field, right? So what if we were to combine the past, that is Ayurvedic medicine or, Vedic medicine and quantum computing? How do you think that would work out? Do you think it would, there's a possibility of it revolutionizing the modern medical world?
Yes, definitely. In fact, quantum computing, they could research about your entire body. They could give you, sorts of medication. But still, the medicine, the true medicine that lies is basically on our past. The Ayurveda, how it is helping so many people get cured from what they're suffering is just amazing. So quantum computing will help you to understand what you're suffering from at a very early stage, but the medicine lies at the past. So yes, I do feel that quantum computing can connect with Ayurveda and it will truly reshape every person.
So, and you talked about a phenomena called protein folding, right? So what if, in light of how the quantum theory works, it predicts the wrong kind of protein folding? So you said that, the wrong kind, like a misfolded protein, it might, end up, put patients in with Alzheimer's. So isn't that going to be an issue? How do you think quantum computing is going to help solve that?
So what we have been addressed, a problem that is really concerning is that people are getting to know that they are having, let's say, Alzheimer's or cancer at the very last stage. Many people even come to know that they are facing it in the end moment of their lives. They've got hardly any time to live. So what quantum computing can revolutionize is by understanding these misfolded proteins, quantum computers could detect it at the earliest stage. So this can help the people who are suffering to understand how they can get treatments and how this misfolded protein can guide them to the further treatments that will help them.
So that's a great way to look at it. Thank you so much, Arya. I really loved your TED Talk and we'll have to see you next time as well.